Hello everybody! Welcome back! I'm very excited today kasi pupunta kami sa Taytay Tiange. OMG! Napanood ko siya kay Helen on Fleek. Subscribe to her, she's so funny. But anyway, ang dami daw dong mga plus size clothes. So, alam mo naman, napakalayo ng Taytay dito sa Alabang. So, talagang field trip ito para sa amin. So, kakain muna kami and then we'll head over to that place, Bagpi something. We'll take you there later. Bye! Okay, food's here. But yeah, food's here. I got a number 4 with broccoli and sausage and chicken. Here's the Jean salad, which is my favorite. And we just got a pasta, which is so small. It's very sad. Let's eat. Okay, we are finally here at the Tiange. As you can see, malaking-malaki siya as in. I think this is the biggest I've seen. It took us about almost an hour and a half. Mali yung unang pinagdalhan sa amin ni Waze. So, ni-search na lang namin. If you're going to drive, ang better na i-input is Bagpi Garment Center. So, mas direct yon. It's a huge complex. May mga food pa oh. It's 9:10. Hindi pa bukas lahat ng stall. So, ikot-ikot muna kami. And then, balikan namin yung ibang plus size na nakita ko. Hello! It's almost 10 o'clock. Naikot na namin yung 2 parts. Nakabili na ako ng blouses, dresses, shorts. As in, iba talaga yung prices dito. Bagsak like, well, sa plus size, laging 130, 120. Pero, alam, magre-reklamo ka pa ba? And the quality is nice. Hindi siya yung parang manipis na Makati na ewan. There's still one more part na malaki. Hindi ko alam kung pupuntahan pa namin. I gotta piss, but I'm thirsty. So, laki ng problema ko. But, this is really a great place. Lalo na gabi. Hindi mainit. Mainit lang kasi, syempre, naglalakad ka. Pero, hindi yung walang init ng araw. So, tsaka yung mga tao, yung mga nagbenta, hindi sila hard sell na, Ma'am, try nyo to, try nyo to. Sin, antay nilang mag-approach ka. So, let's keep on shopping! Okay, I am done. Pauwi na kami. It's late. It's 10:20. Alam niyo, malayo pa yung uwian namin. But, I will say na it's really worth it to come here. Kung malapit lang kayo dito, go ahead. As in, yung money nyo, ang dami nyong mabibiling clothes. Di ko pa nabibilang ina nabibili ko. But, I'm sure, more than 5 pieces. Siguro 7 or 8. And I'll do a try-on video as well. So, that's my trip here to Bagpi Garment Center. Thank you for coming with me and I'll see you guys soon. Bye! Hello guys! I am back and yes, I cut my hair. Do you like it? It's my summer look. Anyway, naisip ko na pagdikitin na lang yung Bagpi video and the haul para isang panooran na lang, 'di ba? So, pag uwi ko, binilang ko yung nabili kong clothes. So, I was able to buy 9 pieces. 9 items for 1,220 pesos. Grabe, parang if you do the math, less than 150 each, 'di ba? So talagang super sulit. I cannot wait to go back. Sabi ko nga, hindi mo na ako mapapabalik ng Chatuchak, surplus, mga ibang bazaar, Tiange. Nako, hindi mo na ako mapapabalik doon sa dami at sa ganda ng mga nabili kong clothes. So, if you wanna see the haul, my plus size haul. To be more specific, it's a plus size haul. If you want to see the stuff that I bought, please keep watching. Okay, so this big bag, punong-puno to ng clothes. I bought dresses and tops, shorts also. And for reference, I'm a size 16, 14, 16, 42 EU. So, talagang definitely plus size. Hindi mapagkakaila. Anyway, the first thing that I'll show you, sinuot ko na kasi siya no isang araw, is this very nice, call it cold shoulder, diba? Cold shoulder top with lace detail. And high-low siya. High-low hemming. 120 pesos. As in, hindi ako makapaniwala. Pag nagtsatsyanggi kasi ako or nagdi-DV ganun, nahihiya ako magtanong na, ate, magkano? Kasi parang feeling ko, mamamahalan ako. So, pag tinanong ko, ate, magkano yan? 120. 120? Parang ako pa yung hindi makapaniwala. So, it's very nice. Pati yung fabric niya, hindi mainit or hindi siya yung chipipay na makapal. Okay, let's see kung ano yung sunod kong mabunot. Oh, is this a dress? I'll stand up para makita nyo. So, ano rin siya? Cold shoulder, dark blue, and again, high-low siya. Yan. This one naman is 180 pesos. My gosh. Para ka lang bumili ng, Big Mac meal, mga ganon. Next. Oh, it's another dress. Okay. Ito, medyo, siya, sexy. Kasi, let me look for it. Okay. So, ito yung neck niya. Siya. Pag dito, medyo turtleneck. Tapos, cold shoulder din. Ayan. But the back is open. So, medyo backless siya. Hindi naman totally backless. Pero parang may butas above the bra line. 170 pesos. My gosh, sabi ko nga, masuot ko man o hindi, okay na rin. One more. Ano ba to? It's another top. Puro cold shoulder mga nabili ko. Ay, hindi pala. It's a vest. Wait. O, diba? Lakas maka-amor powers. It's a long vest. So, ang ganda niya pang travel, ganun. Pero the pockets are fake. Wala siyang pockets. Pero, pang forma-forma lang. Diba? Pa-corporate effect. Okay, next is this very cute off-shoulder top na merong straps din. Tapos, yung dito sa may sleeves, parang may ribbon-ribbon na ganyan. So, syempre, una kong sinukat yung braso. Sok naman dahil. And, the material is para siyang chambray na light. 100 pesos! Nakakaiyak. Diyos ko, Lord. Parang pinapamigay na lang nila yung damit. Ay, parang presyo pa lang ng tela yun, diba? Eto. Shorts. Dolphin shorts. Alam mo naman, summer na. Shorts na. So cute. May patch detail siya. And yung waist niya is hanggang 42. Low waist siya. And what I like about these, meron siyang pockets. And the pockets are real. See? Malalim siya. Kasha iPhone. The other one I'm wearing now. So, ayan siya pagsuot. Cute naman, diba? Pero since chipipay nga, yun, natatanggal-tanggal na yung patch. Okay lang pag natanggal. Mukhang plain. Okay, next is this very girly, dainty lace top na mint green. So, again, chinek ko muna yung braso. Kasha naman. So, yan. Kasha naman. Pero since it's see-through, I need to buy a camisole na pang loob. Pero yung top, 90 pesos lang. Baka mas mahal pa yung biling kong pang loob, diba? Okay, malapit na tayo matapos. And last one is another black cold shoulder. Siyempre yun yung uso, diba? Cold shoulder top. Black lang siya na plain. So, madali siyang iterno. any occasion, pwede. Baka suotin ko na to sa Wednesday, may lunch kami. 130, if I'm not mistaken. So, as I said, lahat less than 200 or even less than 150. Grabe. For me, talagang super sulit. Hindi pa nga ako hindi ko pa masyadong sinuyod yung mga tindahan kasi I was focusing on yung mga gusto ko lang, like shorts or yung off-shoulder. Pero, siguro kung inisa-isa, mas marami pa kasi there are dresses, long dresses, short dresses. May swimsuits pa nga, pero syempre pang ano na yun, normal body types. 150, tapos may mga pambahay din. So, haven. It's a haven. So, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this trip to Bagpi Garment Center. So, as I said, if you're coming from the south, better to input Bagpi Garment Center sa Waze instead of Club Manila East kasi sa likod kami dinala. Their schedule is on Facebook. They're open more days a week now, pero talagang night market. Kasi when we arrived at 9, tsaka pa lang sila nagbubukas. I really enjoyed my experience and I hope that you get to visit this amazing place soon. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys soon. Bye!